Rascal. Love man, so can't hide it again. So, yo, Shango. Respect Shango. Respect Sakumo. All the big men are here, so we respect you. Respect all the Rastas. Shikaka baga wakaba. Shikaka baga wakaba. Yo, Shikaka baga. Shikaka baga. Shikaka baga. Shikaka baga. Shikaka baga. GH Melody, pick up your chest. Your chest large up. You want to big up the artists you're coming out from Tashi. You hear me so? Rascal. Rascal. G. Rascal. G. Where you there? Rascal. Janation. Rascal. Janation. Get in ready, GH. GH Yellow. Get in ready backstage. It's GH Yellow. Your own GH Yellow is in the house. Bakaya.
Its foundation is in the holy mountains. The Most High Jah over the gate of Zion, mother the dwellings of Jacob.
Yes, man.
Glorious things have been spoken of the black emperor of city of Ethiopia.
Yes, man.
I will make mention of Rehab and Babylon to them that know I.
Yes, man.
Behold, Philistine and Tyre with Ethiopia shall be said, this man was born there. And the highest himself shall establish in earth. Jah Rastafari. So hard, and we suffer every day to survive this all we need in this world. Africa so rich, we cannot feed ourselves. Some are homeless, some are jobless in our own motherland. Homeless, jobless in our own motherland. Where is the Lord? You always talk about. I say, where is the Lord? You always preach about. Say, somebody smile with you and laugh with you, but in the end, they don't pretend. In the end, they don't pretend. Life is how to make it. Trust no one, envy no one. What you sow is what you reap. Don't give up, keep focus, and don't give up. Don't give up, and don't give up. Don't give up. Many live to please, but I never live to please everyone, but only Jah. Jah will never let us down. Jah will never let us down. As long as the sun is shining every day. As long as we have the land, we have the air to breathe in. So don't give up. Don't give up. You can't say, can't get back. They don't care. They don't care. You can't say, can't look back. They don't know. As you can't say, can't get back. They don't care. They don't care. So then, say, can't look back. They don't know. I pray down to bless my enemies. Let them be gone, so that they see how far I pray down to bless my enemies. Let them be gone, so that they see how far I have so enemies fighting against I and I. To drop I and I down, but I say, Jah is my shepherd, I shall not want. If I walk through the valley of death, in fear of evil. For the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah is my Savior. If Jah before I, who can be against I? Jah is the strength of my life. Whom shall I fear and be afraid of? Jah, Rastafari, I pray Jah to bless my enemies. Let them be gone, so that they see how far I pray Jah to bless my enemies. Let them be gone, so that they see how far give thanks and praise to the Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Jah, Rastafari, his foundation is in the holy mountains. Blessed, covenantal of Jah, no weapon formed against I and I shall prosper. Jah will fight against those who fight against us. Thousands shall fall at my side, yeah. 10,000 at my right hand side. So my enemies cannot hide down. When you try the power of Jah, all must try to run. That battle is the most high, Rastafari, I pray Jah to bless my enemies. I pray Jah to bless my enemies. Rastafari, the last year I live continually, you know. Let them live long, so they may see how far Japan take us. Hold on. You know, let's go on natural heads, you know. This song is about a very special plant. A very special little flower, you know. Tetrahydrocannabinol, also known as the THC. I love this flower dearly. This flower being a part of my life since I was a teenager, you know. So I brought in IC Street. I'm talking about marijuana.
Yo.
Do you love marijuana?
Yo.
Shots. You want to know the medical benefit of marijuana? Hold it. You want to know the medical benefit of marijuana?
Yes, of course.
The medicine.
Yeah, man.
Our natural herbs is holistic. It heals physically, spiritually, and emotionally. Our natural herbs is helping cancer patients.
Yes, sire.
People with multiple diseases,
Asthma.
even headache.
Yes, sire.
A Rastafari. Natural herbs, you know. Blessed.
Let them go. Let them go.
Let go.
Man, natural herbs. One love, I and I live continually. Rastafari. Great hands for the service of mankind. Hands is the healing of the nation. Great hands for the service of mankind. Hands is the healing of the nation. I say use the hands and say no to drugs. Herb is the healing of the nation. And you can cook it and chew it and even smoke it high. Highly medication to cure the sickness of mankind. Highly medication to cure the sickness of mankind. You can cook it and chew it and even smoke it high. Oh, just great hands for the service of. Bring it on. Hands is the healing. I and I.
Yeah, man.
Do you know Happy Ray? Once upon a time, I was in the studio doing some music with Happy Ray, you know. Happy Ray said, it's a very big distress. I said, no, Happy Ray. The best thing you have to do, get the best pinch of marijuana and roll something decent and just relax. One more time. Do you love marijuana?
Whoa.
Last year, ruin that tune, you know. Blessed I and I. For the service of mankind, health is the healing of the nation. Baby hands for the service of mankind, health is the healing of the nation. I say use the hands and say no to drugs. Help is the healing of the nation. You can cook it and chew it and even smoke it high. Highly medication to cure the sickness of mankind. Highly medication to cure the sickness of mankind. You can cook it and chew it and even smoke it high. Oh, just great herbs for the service of mankind. Herbs is the healing of the nation. Oh, just great herbs for the service of mankind. Herbs is the healing of the nation.
Yes, I.
It's a boy, Nation. came with the lie.